And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, Attorney Tom Olson. This is Olson on Law.
It's me again, and now every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, we bring you Olson on Law with veteran Orlando attorney Tom Olson. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, interesting topic this morning. If you have a parrot or a cat or a hamster or a monkey, can those legally be a service animal? Tom, it seems a lot of people want to call their pet a service animal these days, often so they can take it on a plane with them. Who decides what a service animal is?
Well, the federal law is determined by the Americans with Disabilities Act, and Florida largely adopts those provisions in the Florida statutes.
All right, drum roll, please. Tom, what is the final answer on what exactly can be a service animal?
The final answer is both federal and Florida law is that it can be a dog or a miniature horse.
Okay. What? Yeah, boarding a plane with a miniature horse, I can see that. What are some of the disabilities that qualify for you to have a service animal?
It would be guiding the blind, picking up dropped objects, seizure alerts, or calming down somebody with PTSD would be some examples. However, just to have an animal to give you comfort or emotional support is not good enough to make it a service animal.
I might need a service animal to calm me down if I saw a horse on a plane. So if you're a business and you're questioning whether a dog is a service animal, what can you ask the customer?
You can ask them two questions, and that is the animal trained to provide a service to somebody with a disability? And number two, what is the task that the animal is trained to perform? However, you cannot ask what the disability is or for identification of the service animal or to ask the customer to show how the animal performs the task.
Is there a penalty for someone calling their dog a service animal when maybe it really isn't?
Well, there's both a penalty for both sides. If you're a business owner and you deny entry to a service animal, or if you have an animal and you call it a service animal and it's not a service animal, both of those are a second-degree misdemeanor.
All right. If you have legal questions about your pet or anything else, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show. That is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. on our sister station, 96.9 The Game. Don't forget, you can actually watch Tom and I do the Tuesday and Thursday morning segments on Zoom, on Twitter and Facebook, live and later. Tom, thanks very much. We will see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.